Session 8, Problem Elimination Exercise. For Session 8, you will select a problem from the problem list and do a root cause analysis and assign activities to correct the root causes. But first, let's talk a little more about the problem list and assigning action items. Each week, add to the list of problems and concerns. Cross off any problems that have been corrected. A good way to start every meeting is to ask the operators if they see any new problems that should be added to the problem list. Each problem is an opportunity for improvement, so list as many as possible. Invite someone from sales to attend a meeting and add to the list any customer complaints. For each problem listed, indicate the impact or seriousness of the problem as small, medium, or large, and the estimated ease or cost to fix the problem as low, medium, or high. Look for any relationships among the problems to find common root causes. One way to do this is to write each problem on a post-it and organize by root cause. This will show you opportunities to eliminate multiple problems with a single action. Push on. Don't get discouraged as the list of problems grows larger and larger. Each problem is a golden opportunity for improvement. The larger the list, the greater the opportunity to improve the processes. Do not try to resolve the problems as they are listed. Just add to the list and move on. Focus on completing the workbook. Many of the problems will be eliminated as you progress through the workbook. When you choose to tackle one of the problems, set aside a meeting to do a root cause analysis and commit to action plans that will correct the root cause. It is critical that some of the problems get fixed promptly, so that the operators can see that this program will improve their work. Otherwise, they may see it as more empty management talk. The easiest way to do this is to start with the problems that can be easily fixed. Let's talk about assigning action items. With CHITA, action items are driven by tools and knowledge, with the understanding that resources will be needed. What needs to be done, as determined by the completed fishbone diagram tool? Who has the greatest knowledge needed to complete the action item? Maybe it's an employee, or maybe it's an outside resource like a supplier. What resources will be needed, including employee time? Be conservative when estimating the needed resources. Who in management has the authority to ensure that the resources are made available? When will the action item be complete? Set a reasonable target date for completing the action item. The two people assigned should be jointly accountable for completing the action item. They should be recognized when the action item is completed. Assigning the person with the greatest knowledge and ensuring that the necessary resources are made available gives a high probability that the action item will be completed successfully. Follow up and recognition. When all of the action items are complete, did the problem go away? If not, review the fishbone diagram for missed root causes. If the problem did go away, give recognition to everybody who participated. In Class Exercise 10, the group will select one problem that has a large impact and will have a low cost to fix. Identify the root causes using a fishbone diagram and develop action plans to remove each root cause. In our next session, we will discuss the on-time performance metric.